Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're back with episode 14 of our Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to make an advanced FPS. Now, first of all, I got this request, and I told him I'd immediately do this episode, and so that's what I'm doing right now. Mubits asked for how to pick up weapons and, just have them like lying on the ground and we'll pick them up. Now we're going to do a little bit more fancy than that. Now I don't know what you were looking for. I don't know if you mind me calling you Mew, but I don't know what you were looking for. But what I'm going to give you specifically today is kind of a physics-based just drop. Like it'll just be like a physics object that'll be able to interact with if you run over it or whatever. It should, if I remember how to do this properly. But of course, not run over it. You'll right now we'll have it where if you just walk over it, it'll pick up, kind of like arcadey style. We could have it like floating, and we'll get into that. So let's start right now. So we'll have to, I believe we'll have to duplicate our blueprints. So let's take our weapons, and we're using the assault rifle. So we'll copy and copy, because I think we're going to do two different ones. So we'll name this. Yeah, we'll just have that normal. And so what we'll have here is we'll have to open the blueprint editor, but there are no blueprints for this because this is all just a child of the base weapon. But we should still be able to interact with it. Actually, let's just do everything on the base weapon, but we'll have the assault rifle drop. So I think this should work just fine. So we'll have the run over and pick up on the base weapon. So let's go to our base weapon, and we will call on event begin overlap. Actually, no. We don't want it like exactly over the weapon because that's too exact and that's too difficult. So we'll have, since the weapon, the camera is right there. So see, that's the problem here, is you can't see that, but on the assault rifle you can see that just fine. Okay, so that gives us a better picture of how it is. Sorry if you can hear like some moving around. It's the door. I've got my window open, so it pushes the door around. It's very windy outside. So that gives us an idea of where it's at. So let's create a capsule collision. So a capsule collision, and that's pretty good for where we want it. And then we'll rotate it a solid 90. And then let's see. See, this is what. Okay, so everything that's put into here is on here. That's nice. That's good to know. So we'll extend it and shorten it a little bit. No, it's good. So we'll just yeah, we'll do that and move it there. That looks good. So we'll just run over and it'll pick it up. So what we'll have is we'll call on component begin overlap for our capsule, and our other actor will be us. So we'll just do cast a bro dude, and then we will attach it to mesh and then our socket will be right hand socket, if I'm remembering correctly, as our set socket. Let me just save here, because we did have that socket here, and we'll want to take out that. We'll just skip the process of it. We won't take it out because we may just want it there. But where are we? Oh, what happened to all the comments? There were comments here. Oh. Something happened to some of the comments that were from... Ooh, I don't really know. I don't know, but that's fine. That's cool. So we'll simply skip that. Hold on, is there anything important going off of begin play? No, we don't really even need event begin play, because I think all of everything will work just fine. So we'll break this sequence, and that will cut it out, and we should actually be fine. Okay, can't fire, can't do anything. Good. But we're gonna have to add one variable, and that is if we have a weapon. Now we can reload because we can't because we don't even. That's awesome, actually. But anyways, we're dying. Oh, we should probably take off that health. So we'll take off that little health that we had there. We won't take it off. We'll just hide it in case we want to use it later. But we'll hidden in game. Okay. Oh wait, does that hide our HUD too? I think it does since it's parent. Oh darn. Oh no, it doesn't. We're good. Sweet, it just hides that one component. I'm glad. Yep, and then we regen like we're supposed to. Good. Okay, so we are going to have to, since there is no equipped weapon set, that's not allowing it to reload. That's good. Okay, because it's not even calling that. So I just want to create this variable because the more variables that you have, the more precise you can be. So, weapon is equipped. Can't spell right. Okay, so the weapon is equipped, and our default will be no, but good. So now we're going to go over here, and when it does that attach to, we're going wait, let's make sure right hand socket, good. And then we should be fine, right? No errors. Good. Okay, and then we're going to set equipped weapon and set is weapon equipped to true. Then we are going to set equipped weapon to you know, that is actually not very good. Would I just use Nope, that's bro dude. No. Okay. Because the equipped weapon is that. So maybe what we'll do, instead of attaching it, yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay, so we'll delete that, and then we will spawn actor from class, and then we'll do that. What? Okay, so we have to do base weapon, and that's great. No, we want assault rifle. Assault rifle. Proper, and then we'll go there. Okay, so then our we should have done that. Ho-ho. Actor from class. Right, okay, so we should have just connected to owner. See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That's what I thought. I mean, I thought, but I wasn't like, oh yeah, no, I totally know what this stuff is, man. I totally know what I'm talking about here. And that should be it. So an assault rifle there, set weapon equipped, and destroy actor, which is going to be self. And that should work. Fine dandy, no errors. Oh, a transform. Oh, that's really. just make the transform. That's all it wants. Oh, I want to save actually. Hold up. So we're going to make a transform, and that looks great. Great. Oh, you guys are just so fun. What? Wait, what? Failed building connection with assault rifle. Base weapon reference? What? Compiler build failed building connection with assault rifle reference, which is with assault rifle reference is not compatible. Bad blueprint. Couldn't tell. Well, this is no good. No, this no good. Also, that's not our owning player. Our owning player is bro dude. That's yeah. Right? No errors except for okay. My character, cast my do we have recoil? Yes, we do, right? Haha. Haha, haha. Yes. Bueno. Okay, so we just need to change this to bro dude. Bro. Dude. Bro. Dude. CLI recoil. Connect that. Connect that. And connect that. I think that's proper. Oh, I'm good. Young players already rooted. You don't need to cast a bro, dude. Well, I'm gonna. Anyways. Yeah. Great. Just great. No, great. Watch it give me another warning. Okay, it's whatever. Okay, I don't get this, though. Oh, mercy. This isn't working properly. See, it's a little bit more difficult than just that. I don't know. That's really weird. Can we get base? Weapon. Right, no. Okay, but that's not what we want. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy all this over to a blank spot here. Good, that goes away. But now we have to cast a base weapon. Okay. Oh, it doesn't even give me an error for that. Oh, that's great, actually. Let's delete that, right? Because we don't have just a normal capsule. We don't have a component called capsule, because that's just called capsule. We don't have anything called capsule. So that should work. Right? Good to go. Dandy, dandy, dandy. Right, so we drag base weapon. We drag you, bro. Bro, no. No, we don't drag you in here. We delete you. Dang it, okay. Did we put you over here? And we let physics go crazy. Actually, speaking of physics, we really should have that simulated. We should have that simulated. Yeah. Hold up. Let me think. Is it just gonna be simulate physics? Enable gravity. Great. Hold on. I want to save it. Oof. Just in case. Errors and warnings reported. Yay. I do always save though, just in case stuff crashes, because every time you do stuff, every time you like do a new thing, you never know if it's gonna save or crash, so yeah. It's a process. It takes too long. Well, good thing I saved, because the second I was done saving, I started recording, and then I played it, and then I tried, and then I died, and it didn't, and the drop didn't work. I'll show it for you, but it didn't work, and I'll show it for you and hopefully not crash. But yeah, good thing. That's why you always save, because I felt a crash coming on. So we're going to try not to die from him. Go over here, pick this up, and it doesn't work. So how we are going to fix this is I think we're going to do my original idea and do the attach instead. So let's try this out. So let's open him up. And open this guy up actually, and we'll open it in a full blueprint editor. Delete this from our scene. Go here, delete this because this is completely useless. It's useless. So we're going to get this begin overlap, and then our other actor is going to be bro dude. And then so we're going to we're okay. Going to, what am I thinking of? Spawn actor from class. Assault rifle. Good. And then make a transform. Is weapon equipped. I doubt this is going to work, but we can still try. Oh my gosh, it actually does. So, let's, I was seriously surprised about that. Right, no. That's not the one we want. Which one did we open? Right. Let's open this one. Of course. Then we'll go, okay, so we'll go here and assault rifle, pick up 1. Okay. Control S. Just to save it. I always save that whole crashing thing. That was just demonstrated. Okay. So we're gonna go to drag assault rifle, pick up 1, drag it up, be good. So this will be like the floating arcade-ish one. We won't have physics on this yet, but let's hope this works. Okay, so it's showing up. We got the noise and everything. Ooh. That's not good. And we can't aim either. It's amazing everything that it automatically does for me. Jeez. I wonder why that's not actually working though, because the it is working to an extent, but not to the proper extent that I would like it to. So let us delete that and just attach to our mesh, and then do the right hand socket, zoom in there, good. Dang it. Of course it's not gonna work. Let me think. How would we do this? How would we do this? Get a reference to self, I guess. Right there. No. Must be a mesh. Oh, what the? That's weird. Maybe that did work. And that error was for the other thing. Oh, it does work. Yay. Okay, that's Salt Roof Pickup 1. Good. Gonna play. Then we're gonna run away. Run. Yay. Okay, so we've got our bullets now, just visually not showing up. So, and did I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna drag him up and over. He can't do jack. Oh, he's stuck. Hi. He can still hurt me though. Why is my UI running into him? That's really weird. That's really weird. So yeah, it seemed like we dropped it. Like we had it and then we dropped it. Oh my gosh, that's magical. No, really, that's magical. That's magical. Jeez. And we still got that sway and everything to it. Okay, so I think what we need to fix is maybe some socketry, because I don't think that's the right socket name. Oh, wait, what? Okay, you guys saw it. Copy pasted it. It's the same thing. Maybe that's that, and that should be. Hold up, right? The target is us. The parent is us. Aha! Get weapon. Haha! Ooh, hee haha. Break link to mesh. I think this is the winner. Okay, so nothing. Got it all like that. Well, now that doesn't work at all. Where the heck is it? Oh, geez, it's like way off in Wonderland. The heck? That's really strange. About that. See, so that's the deal. It's just not wanting to properly work. So what? So what? I don't know. I've got one last idea, and then and then I'll call it quits and do something else. But if you guys can get this to work, you know, this is the idea. This is how it should be working. So if you guys can get this to work, you know, please let me know. It'd be awesome. And you know, I would just love to find out if you guys did indeed get this to properly work. And yeah, I would just like to know that. Okay, and then we're going to attach actor to components. Why don't we just do that? Control C. Sorry for the noise in the background. Peoples be childish. Anyways, so the target will be us. The parent will be. Oh wait, what? Get mesh right hand socket. Do that. Right on. And this is all considering. This is all hoping that it works properly. Well, I hear shooting noises, right? Wow. Spawned at 0000. I thought it was talking about spawning it in relation to us 0000, not that kind of a zero location. Right. Well, that's not working at all, and I really, truly am sorry, because that's how it works, and it's just not working for me. So I hope you guys can get it to work, but it's just not working. I was wanting to do a weapon drop system like this, but I'll have to get it working on my own time and show you how I did it. But this is how it's supposed to work. So I'll be back actually and see if I can find how I did it on my other project. Alright, so it has definitely been a long time since I've had to do this, but if you guys have tried looking up tutorials and seen other stuff, you probably are ahead of me. It was snap target including scale. And then so we won't really actually we don't need this. So here's what we do. This is exactly what we do. That's it. You just drag it over and make sure or you attach actor to component. The parent will be our mesh from our bro dude. Our target will be self, as well as the equipped weapon on our set. Right hand socket is the socket name. Snap to target including scale. Weld simulated bodies. Our target for equipped weapon should obviously be as bro dude, and set weapon is equipped to true. That'll come in handy later. But I just wanted to show you what happens when we break that link and don't add it. And the reason I'm doing this is because I like the way the camera is better. I like the camera here much better. And of course we can change the way the gun is and the positioning of all that later. But seriously, like look at that compared to, oh well, let me drag it off. Anyways, look at that compared to the way it was earlier if we have it just normal, like we've had it for a long time. And that's kind of stupid of me because I like it put much better the other way. But this that was like it was at the hip, and this is much more FPS. Like that's not very good. That's not what we want. But the other way, that was perfect. So I think that's what we'll set it to. And I would like to know why it's setting it like that, because it's changing so much more. But we're done here. We're done here, and so we don't need that. We don't need that. We'll save it up, and we'll change the camera a little bit. Maybe we can figure out why it's doing that, and then we'll head on to the next episode after we're done. So let's look at why it would be doing that. So let's get let's go to our attributes and get our equipped weapon. Now we're going to find references for the equipped weapon. So that's a lot. That's a lot of references for the equipped weapon. Let's just look at let's just look at zooming and aiming. So camera, all that fancy stuff for the line trace and the crosshair and all that crap. But here. Oh. If it's true, it goes through all that and then does that. If it's false, it just goes to that, but it still does that. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing we've been doing. If you know what voice that's from, then you have seen a very particular TV show. So we're going to drag this out. Dang it, we got to drag this out. Alright, so let's get this going here. We'll get good. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, that worked seamlessly. And then our ADS. We'll go down and over. Down a good bit. Maybe we should not snap it to that because we need it very precise. That's not very precise, but that is pretty precise. And then we'll move it back, I believe. Fine, move it back up proper and stuff, and then I guess we're moving it this way. No, we're moving it that way. What way are we moving it then? I don't know, because it's not making sense. Now nothing's changing. Oh, okay. That's better. That's a better view of what I was looking for. Jeez, because it was messing up like crazy. Wasn't registering properly. So I'm going to put it out there, see where it puts us. So we could go up a little bit. Or that way, to center it. This way to go up, right? Yep. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I don't know how I even got into wireframe. It's like, please don't do it again. Good. I don't even know how I did that. I don't know the commands that well. Okay, so we need to go down a little bit. Good. Dang it. Gotta be so precise. So very precise. It's like that wasn't precise. Oh, come on. Move. It's like just a couple more data values. Just a couple more data values. Okay. Like that, and then we can move it up and forward. So let's move it forward. Actually, let's fix it on the socket first. That way it's right. It's proper. That way it's proper on the socket. Right, so we'll have to do this. Let me think, what am I doing? Okay, so we're going here. Let's just go to our Broodhood. Just make it easier on ourselves. And then we'll go skeleton there, and then we'll go there. Then we'll delete that. Add a preview mesh. That is our M4, but the actual rifle that we're using. The rifle that we're using, please. Geez, that door is driving me crazy. And then we'll fix a couple things here. We'll fix, for one, how he's holding this. So let's go into an animation, and then let's see. Find our center. Where is that? I don't even know where it's at anymore. Idle FPS. There we go. That's our center. And then we'll go into skeleton, and then transform it up. Transform about there. You can really tell that this just really isn't made for this mesh. Gosh. And then we'll take this bone, rotate it up. Don't snap, please. No snapping of the rotations. He's gonna snap. Jeez, okay, the camera also needs to be taken down a few notches. Yeah, that'll look fine. Of course, you can all precise this how you want, but I think I like that. Save it all up. Save it all up. And I think we'll just fix the FPS and the ADS, and then we'll call it quits for today. And then we'll get into the next episode after I'm done with this. So let me pause so the saving gets done quick. Alrighty, so I fixed it. I thought I might as well just come back when I had it all set to where I want. So we'll drag our guy back into here, give him a good drop delay. Right on. Yeah, he really actually can't see very far if you think about it. Like, he can see pretty wide, but like far, I mean, that's actually kind of a short distance. Oh my gosh, our world looks pretty bad. Anyway, so let's go and play, and I'll show you what it did. So, got him normal. He's dropping in. Oh, he's looking for a place. Now let's scope him out, shall we? Dang it. So, it looks pretty bad with the sway, but I'm hoping to fix that with some custom animations sooner or later. It does look bad when you crouch too. Looks even worse when you crouch, actually. There we go. We got him. Alright, so let's show how we did that. That was trippy. Anyways, so we've got our oh my gosh, why is that just random out there? That one just annoys me. We've got our zooming and all of that, right? So we've got the right click to do all that, but what about, I don't know, that interpolate that we've got here? This is new, eh? So we kind of stole it from here to an extent. It almost looks like I just copy pasted it over, but I did it all by hand. So what you'll do is you'll drag it off, and you will get field of view, if you can spell right. Now you will have to turn off context sensitive. You'll get field of view. Then off of field of view, you will interp to. You can have context sensitive on. You'll do that to two sides. That will go to current on both of them. Your target will be 90 on the bottom and 20 on the top. Do this so that way we still have zoomed. This is all of our data for if we're zoomed. This is all of our data for if we're not zoomed. Then we're going to drag off and set, dang it, set field of view with context sensitive off, set field of view on both of those, and that'll be the return value. Remember, interp speed can be whatever you want. The higher, I believe, the slower. I don't know. I don't even know. Like, let's see what 1 is. Delta time, I just left that at 1. You can put that at 0. I don't know what that does, but I just put it at 1. So let's see. See what it does. So he's coming in. So 1's pretty instantaneous, actually. I didn't know that, but 1's pretty instantaneous. So we'll so we can do 1, or you can do this slight little zoom in with 6, but it doesn't really matter. We'll actually keep this at 0, I believe, right? Get world delta seconds. Oh, that's what you gotta do. Okay, so we should do that. Get world delta seconds. Was that having me trying to convert something? Oh, you can convert delta seconds? Oh, float to vector, that makes sense, but that's funny. Delta seconds, that'd be kind of weird. So let's put that there and see how that actually works out for us. We'll fix the lag of the HUD later because that irritates me. I like that actually. Good, we killed him, and we'll fix collision of the dude bro later. But yeah, so that'll be all for this episode. We can fine tweak all of that because if you haven't noticed already, it is not spot on, but it is really the best I could do. We'll get crosshairs later, but I mean, I'm just saying that's the best I can do, guys. So we'll get crosshairs later and all that fancy stuff, but that's it for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, a like, comment, or rate, comments, rates, all that stuff would be very much appreciated, especially comments. That feedback that you guys may give me, whether negative or positive, as long as it be truthful, does help me. Subscriptions definitely helps, and more views. Just, you know, if you guys tell other people about me, and tell, you know, other people that, hey, this guy does really good Unreal Engine tutorials, or if your class is doing this or something, you know, just tell them about me, and or something, or friends that you know like this. Please just help me get out there, because, you know, I don't want to just be uploading for nothing and then come back, you know, 5 years later and then blow up. It blow up and me have like my schedule completely full. Like, well, wasn't planning on this happening. 5 years down the line, my Unreal series blowing up after 30 videos have been uploaded and enough people saw it, but I can't do this now. So I want to be able to start doing this and keep doing this and not just have that happen. So really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, suggestions on anything that maybe could help or whatever, totally pick those up and be like, yeah, sweet, sounds good, guys. But yeah, other than that, that'll be all for this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.